Hello students. So this is the tutorial for BCS Online Exam 2020. So first of all, we will see how our student can register. Open the link in your browser www.poolnt.com/oexam5. 5 is the class. So whatever class you are studying, you will write that class. You will be directed to the web page of online exam. You have to register for this exam by filling up your personal details. After filling the registration form, click on register now. You will be directed to the exam portal where you will be having a list of your exams. So this is how you can do the registration. You go to the browser and type the link given provided to you. So right now I am opening the exam portal for class 5th as OExam 5. You can write your class. If you are studying in 6, then you will write 6. In 7, then you will write 7. So this is the page where you will be registering yourself. Enter your name, your roll number, your gender. Username should be your roll number itself. Then you will enter your mobile number, your password, confirm password, and register now. So I have filled one registration form for you all. You can see I have written the name, roll number, and username. The roll number and username should be same. When you will be clicking on register now, you will be registered for the exam. Now, if you want to log in again, then what you have to do? Open the link in your browser, the same link. Click on login button. Enter your username and password and click on login button. You'll be directed to the exam portal where you will find your exam details. So this is your page. When you will be logging in, you will be getting this page. You can see one exam is already there, that is of current affairs. Total questions are 10. Correct answer marks is 1. Wrong answer is 0. Total marks is 10. Time limit is 5 minutes. Then you have what you have to do is to click on start button. So I am showing you how to give an exam. So I am clicking on start button. The exam will start. The time has started and there is a submit test button. You will be clicking on it when you will be completing your exam. Now let's do the first question. What is a nickname of coronavirus? You all know it correctly, that is COVID-19. Now next thing what you have to do, you have to log this answer. If you will not lock it, it will be considered as unattempted. So I am clicking on lock. Now the answer has been logged. You can see over here selected answer is COVID-19. That means the answer has been selected. Now you will press on the next button. Here you can see this is the next button. Click on it and you will be directed towards the second question. The second question is the present captain of Indian cricket team. We all know it. It is Virat Kohli. Then again we have to log this answer. After locking it, you can see the selected answer has been selected. Now we will click on the next question. Now the next question has come. Here you can see green color are showing. this means that you have already attempted the question, and the red color is showing that you have to still visit those questions. So right now the question is, who is the Home Minister of India? So I am doing a wrong answer as Narendra Modi, and I will log this answer. So right now we have selected the wrong answer. So in case if you have selected any wrong answer and you want to change it, okay, you have to keep looking at the time also. So you can see one small cross is there in front of your selected answer. So if you want to remove this answer, you will click on that cross. So you can see that it has been removed. Now select the correct answer, lock it, and move to the next question. You can see the selected answer has been changed from Narendra Modi to Amit Shah. One more thing you have to keep in mind, that if you want to skip any question or you want to go back to any question, you can click below here in whatever question number you want to go. Next question is, there are 5 digits in a lakh, so this is false. I will log the answer and I will move towards the next question. So you have to keep track of the time also. So right now I'm having only 26 seconds. So I will show you this also, that if the time gets over, the exams also gets over. So what is the full form of ISRO? It is Indian Space Research Organization, option C. I will lock it and I will move to the next question. So you can see my exam has got over. So when your exam gets over, you will see this page. You can see all the details as total question as 10, correct answer 5, wrong answer 0, unattempted question 5. So this is very important. If you will not lock it, it will go to unattempted questions. So you have to lock it always. Score is 5 and overall score is 5. Down below you can see all the questions and the correct answers you have attempted. The correct answers will be shown as green, unattempted question will be shown as yellow, and wrong answers will be shown as red. So here you can get whole detail about the question and the correct answer. So this is how you have to give your exam. So after finishing your exam, you have to straight away log out from this page. So log out, it is right up there. You will just go up, click on log out, and you will be redirected to the main page. I hope you have understood how to give an online exam. Thank you so much.